Transnet can be a leading partner in working together with other African countries to restore their rail stock, and again, going back to what I said earlier, be a leader in helping the integration of our rail systems across the continent. And this is something that we look to working together with you and your team as we move forward. And I look forward to a visit, which I think we'll be making in the near future, to see how we can deepen our collaboration, how we can work better together, and actually fast track that process, which I once again want to say, our integration is going to be led by the kind of work that we've seen here. So I'm just very grateful to you and your team, and really I look forward to partnering with you much deeper.
My greatest lamentation is that we should have met when you started your term as president of Kenya, because if that had happened, I'm sure we would have gone quite a long way. But you have assured me that you still have a couple of months, so there's a lot that we can do.
Absolutely.